All right, y'all, as many of y'all know, we just came out with a stick-on flat weight, great for your glide baits, jerk baits, anything like that. We're gonna do a little challenge video today. We're gonna see how many of these we can stick on Tim without him noticing. Y'all stay tuned, this should be a good one. All right, y'all, we got 3 different sizes here. We got 0.5 gram, 1 gram, and 2 gram. We've got 2 different colors, at least for right now, in the 1 and 2s, in the hollow and the pearl. Bigger ones are great for your glide baits, but you know, we're gonna start off with these guys right here, the little bit smaller ones, and we'll work our way up to the 2 grammers. So guys, stay tuned. I forgot to mention as well, this is a very, very sticky 3M material on here. So when you peel the sticker off, it actually stays on your baits a long time. Make sure it's dry when you're putting them on. So if you use your bait and you need to add weight, just make sure to dry off that area and you can stick them on very, very easily. Let's go out to Tim. Got it. Hey, Tim. Oh, did I leave my pen over here? No, no, red one. No, that's all right. Down in the comment section, comment what you think the total weight will be that we put on Tim. We've got, again, 0.5 gram, 1 gram, and 2 gram. We're gonna work our way up. Hopefully we get, I mean, maybe 10 gram, who knows? Y'all, this is kind of crazy, kind of funny, so stay tuned. He's basically looking like the polka dot man. All right, y'all, so we're basically through most of the day. Tim has not noticed at all. And I'm telling y'all, he went to lunch, put a sweater on, took it off, and I wasn't even sure when he came in with the sweater on that the, stick-on weights were still on there. Matter of fact, they're still on there. He's walking around the store right now, and he's got sticky weights all over his back. This is kind of crazy. So I think we're up to 10 total weights right now, maybe 11, and I don't know exactly in grams, but if you're past, like 8 or 9 grams, you're pretty dang close. We're going to try to be super aggressive here, see as many as we can get on at one time in this short period of time before I have to head out from the shop here to go film on the water. So again, if you're enjoying the videos, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on the video. It definitely helps us in the algorithm. And y'all, let's get at this challenge.
Oh, and Clark came
All right, y'all, I apologize. I accidentally deleted the outro clip and wasn't able to recover it and didn't even know I deleted it. So this is the outro. We ended up sticking a total of 15.5 grams on Tim's back without him noticing. He finally did end up noticing at some point. He sat down and was like, oh, it feels weird. Something's on my back. But guys, awesome challenge. These stick-on weights here are the real deal. You can check them out online at lakeprotackle.com. They're called stick-on flat weights, come in 3 different sizes, 2 different colors. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on it as well, and we will see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.